Reporters say they are trying to address the issue that the rich can afford to bond out of jail while the poor stay behind bars.
10 News reporter Travis Rice explains why opponents say the new bill gives judges too much power.
There is no more bail. You're either released or you're held in.
That's how a bail bondsman understands Senate Bill 10, and he's got a beef with it.
It eliminates the bail industry.
Well, a few problems with it.
They have it mistaken by how much it's going to cost California to run a system like that. I think they're going to be mistaken on all the resources they're going to need, and I think they're mistaken by the burden it's going to put on our already overworked law enforcement.
Gerald Watkins runs Watkins Bail Bonds and says this is one of the worst ideas he's seen out of Sacramento.
I think what the picture they're painting is like, oh, there's, innocent people in jail, but I think that they just have it mistaken.
Watkins says the government doesn't need any more burdens.
And if you put that onto a government who doesn't really have this system in place, it's going to be, I said, a burden on the taxpayers of California, and it could be a danger to the community for people that slip through the cracks.
The ACLU initially backed the bill, but after an amended version passed, they pulled their support, saying in part the bill does not adequately protect against racial biases and disparities that permeate our justice system. Watkins says bondsmen in the ACLU's mutual opposition says something.
It'll be up to the judge to see if you get held on if you're accused of a felony, and that's where other people that oppose this bill come into play, because someone could be accused of a felony and stay in jail for 6 months, a year.
Sounds like a lot of power for one person.
Yeah.
Travis Rice, 10 News.